Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Zama and I'm just gonna be showing you guys a lot of new makeup things that I've been trying out. Some of them I've never tried out, so I'm gonna kind of review those as well. I already did my foundation and it's the Fenty Beauty foundation, the Pro Filter one, and I've really been liking this one. And I like it because it's so liquidy and it doesn't feel heavy. And as for concealer, I used a very affordable concealer from Wetnwild. And this is the Wetnwild Illuminatti Highlighting and Concealing Pen. I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face just because it is a little light right now and my body is pretty dark. So I'm going to go ahead and use a Neutrogena Healthy Skin Blush in Bronzed. And this is actually supposed to be a blush, but I use it as a bronzer. So I just use this to add color to my face. And this is a flower brush that I bought at Walmart. And this one was on clearance, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna try it out. And I really like it, and I use it for like a lot of things. And something new that I've been using is this Lorac Tanntalizer Baked Bronzer. And I always like to go all out with bronzer just because I like to look very tan. And I just add a little more on top of what I just added, like a little. And I really like this one. I bought this at Marshall's and it was $6. And regular price at Ulta, I'm pretty sure it's like $30. So I was super excited that I was able to buy it super cheap. For blush, I always use the same one. This is the Modern Mandarin from MAC, and I'm using the same brush just because I'm too lazy to get another one, but I just apply it just a little bit. And this blush goes with everyone. I've used this blush on my sister, on my coworkers, and it looks fabulous. So I always recommend this one, and I've had this one for about maybe 2 years now, and it's a color that goes with every makeup look. As for highlight, I'm going to go ahead and use the Hustla Baby Kilowatt Highlight by Fenty Beauty, and this is a kind of travel size version, and it came also with this lip gloss at Sephora. And I like these just because they're really convenient to carry on my everyday cosmetic bag. I'm just going to apply that on my high points of my cheeks, a little bit on my eyebrow right here to kind of add light and dewiness to my face just because my foundation is super matte. So now I'm going to be trying out a new brand that I've never personally used, and it's called Iris Beauty, and they were nice enough to give me a couple of items from their website. And I'm going to go ahead and first try out the contact lenses, and I'm super excited because I low-key have been wanting to kind of do like a makeup look and also change the color of my eyes. So this is the packaging right here. Comes like that. It says Iris Beauty. It's a really nice matte like packaging with some gold detailing, and this is the color in Sugar Brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. If you're creeped out with me putting on contacts, do not see. But I'm just gonna go grab them. They came in this little container, and this is really easy for me because I wore contacts for a long time, like for my vision. So you kind of have to blink a little bit so they kind of sit on your eyes. They look way better now that I have both on. They're not as dramatic as if I would have gotten like some green or blue ones. They would have looked not cute. But so far they kind of look cute. I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup just to see if I actually like the color of these. And again, these are Sugar Brown. It's so weird to look at myself with another color eye. I'm going to go ahead and apply some eye primer. I always apply primer just because I don't like my eyeshadow to crease. I'm going to go ahead and use the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to grab this color here. And I'm going to use this kind of as a transition color to warm up my eyes and kind of add dimension. It's going to be a really basic eye, guys. And just kind of buff it out. Now I'm going to apply the same color to my bottom lash line. And the next color I'm going to use is this one right here, and I'm just going to grab it with my finger. And I'm just going to grab it and put it on the outer corner. And I did the same look yesterday, so I already know that it's going to look super good. And now for the inner corner, I'm going to grab my Kilowatt highlight, and this is a really gold highlight. If you guys like gold highlights, you should try this one out. And I'm just going to use this for the inner corner. And this is such a pretty color. I love it. I'm going to use this color to kind of darken my upper lash line. I'm going to do it on the bottom as well. So that is it for the eyes. Super easy eye. I did this one yesterday for the beach and it looks super glam. Really easy, just a couple eyeshadows. Now I'm going to just do my mascara, and I always use this one. Bought a fresh one because the other one was super dry. And this is the Loreal Telescopic. And I buy different mascaras and I always go back to this one. Like I can't like get what I want with other mascaras, so I'm like, no. So now I'm going to try the eyeliner. This is the same brand, Iris Beauty, and I just did my eyelashes before doing the eyeliner, which is not typically what I do, but I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And this is new, so I've never used this before. And I always, so it's kind of like a pen eyeliner. I kind of don't like these just because they dry out pretty quickly. But I'll give this one a go just to... I remember I bought this one when they first started, when they first like came out with the idea. And it was an e.l.f. one and I did not like it. Oh wow. It's really, really dark, which is what I like. So that is how it looks now once I've did my other eyeliner. And like I said, it's really, really sharp. And you have, this is probably the most symmetrical I've had it in a while. This one took me a little more time, but it did come out really, really good. This one is the one that I typically use. This is the L'Oreal Linear Intense Carbon Black one, and this one's liquid and it has a lot of product, and it's a brush one. This is not good if you're learning, just because it's really hard. You have to practice a lot before you kind of use the brush ones, but this one takes me like a second to do. But this one I really like just because it's so dark. I think it's darker than this one. So now I'm also going to try the magnetic eyelash extensions. And this is intriguing just because you don't, I'm assuming that you don't have to use glue to apply them. And so this is how it looks. So you have obviously 2 for each eye. And it looks like that. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. Oh, okay. So I have one. Should I read the instructions? It says here it's ultra thin magnet, easy to apply and glue free, 100% handmade and irritation free. No damage to your eye and to your eyelashes. I'll go ahead and try these magnetic eyelashes. So that's the top. And then on the bottom of my real lash line, I'm assuming that you, oh my gosh, this is it. I just can't. So that's one eye. I don't see I don't think I would ever do this. I'm sorry, this is not functional. You see, it's like, if you just rub your eye like super gently, they're gonna totally come off. No, 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 no. This is, imagine like if you just rub your eye and then this happens. Oh my gosh, no. Oh my gosh, taking this off is like, just slide it up, I guess. Look guys, no, I'd rather not wear lashes. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna tear my own. This one was a fail for me. I would never use magnetic eyelash extensions. Maybe another brand, but this one in particular is just very hard to put on. And if I just like, I always go like this to my natural lashes just because sometimes like I try to like spruce them up a little bit, but no, I don't see myself using that. And now I'm going to try the eyebrow brush. I always like using different eyebrow things. So this one, let's give it a go. I'm going to try to do some hair-like hairs here. It is a pretty thick pencil, so you won't achieve the most natural eyebrow. But to fill in, I usually just fill it in like that. It is, the color actually looks really good, very natural, not too dark. So that is how my eyebrows look. I really like the color of them. They look really natural, and I have to kind of wear them throughout the day to see if they'll wear enough. But so far I do like them. I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. I'm just going to go ahead and do a lip gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. So this is the final look. I really like it, and I really like it just because I look so different with the colored eyes. As for all these items, I have been using them for a long time. A lot of these are fairly new that I've been using for a couple of months now, and I have been doing videos of all these. The ones that I have not are from the Iris Beauty brand. And the contacts I really like. The eyelash extensions, no, I do not, just because it was so hard for me to like apply, and I just got really frustrated, so I would totally just pass on that. But as for the eyebrows, I do like them as well, just because the color is perfect, because they're not too dark. It's a really nice dark brown ashy color, which is perfect for my eyebrows. Now that I see my eyebrows now, I think I may have been doing them a little too dark for my face. So I really do like the color of this eyebrow brush. As for the eyeliner, I really liked it as well, just because it is really nice and dark, and I was able to do the winged eyeliner, the wing right here, really nice and sharp. I don't think it would last as long as other eyeliners, just because these are really prone to kind of drying out, so you kind of want to keep that in mind as well. But so far I really do love my makeup today, so make sure to also follow me on Instagram. I always post pictures of the videos that I do, so make sure to check it down below. If you guys have any suggestions as well for any video ideas or any makeup items that you guys want me to try out as well, make sure to put that on the bottom. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you happen to like it. And as always, I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.